For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about one of the major updates from the world of tennis. Yes, world number one, Serbia's Novak Djokovic has confirmed his participation for the US Open 2020, which will be played from August 31st to September 13th. Now, generally the US Open is the fourth Grand Slam, the last Grand Slam of the year, but due to coronavirus pandemic, it will be played now from August 31, which means that French Open, which is the second Grand Slam of the year, will be played towards the end of the year in Paris. But sticking to US Open, so a big relief for all the United States Open organizers, as world number one Novak Djokovic and a three-time US Open champion has confirmed his participation. He clearly stated that he has taken this decision after a lot of thought process with his team, with his medical staff, and due to the coronavirus situation which is there in the United States of America and in New York, the tournament will be played in biosecure conditions. It will have no spectators at all, and the tournament will be played with keeping in mind all the biosecure environment and its rules and regulations. So, what does this mean to Novak Djokovic and also to the United States Open? Because some of the major players from the world of tennis has actually said no to playing in the United States Open due to COVID-19. Now, these names include the likes of Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal, the defending champion at the United States Open. He won it in 2019. So he will also, the Spaniard will also not be there in New York to defend his title, as he clearly stated last week. And now with Novak Djokovic coming in and actually saving the whole tournament, well, because a total of 25 players have said no when it comes to playing at the United States Open due to the current situation of COVID-19 in New York. Now, with Novak Djokovic playing and no Federer into it, so this means that he will go in as the hot favorite to win his 18th Grand Slam title. And before I go there, also in the women's section, there are some of the key players which are not playing. World number one, Ashley Barty, the Australian, has said no to playing in the United States Open, and also the defending champion has also said that she will not be traveling to New York because of the current situation in the city. Now, coming to Novak Djokovic again. Now, if Novak Djokovic wins the United States Open, he's already a three-time champion over there, and if he wins this one, because it looks almost not certain, but he will be the hot favorite, because with no top rivals, with no Nadal, with no Federer, with no top 5 players into the arena at the Arthur Ashe Stadium, it almost looks certain that Novak Djokovic will be lifting his 18th Grand Slam title until and unless an upset comes in. So this will take his total tally to 18 Grand Slam, just one behind Rafael Nadal, who has 19 Grand Slams, and Roger Federer, who's sitting at the top of the pile with 20 Grand Slams. But it is very much clear that Novak Djokovic is breathing down his neck, and if he stays fit, and given that Federer is already 39, he's 33 now, Djokovic, and Nadal struggling with his injuries to keep up with the current form, Novak Djokovic is likely to become the world's most leading Grand Slam player in the coming days. And also, one should not forget that the kind of mental preparations which Novak had to do for this tournament, because in June, if you remember, he organized a charity event at the Adria Tour in Balkans, for which he was criticized. He was tested positive for COVID-19, so was Grigor Dimitrov. Some of the top players played in, Alexander Zverev, and everyone played into there, but he and his wife Elena also tested positive for COVID-19. Later, they tested negative. So it's very much clear that Novak Djokovic wants to play tennis, wants to get back on the court, and also lift that US Open for the 4th time in his illustrious career. And like I said, 18th, if that happens in New York in the coming few weeks. So, do you agree with Novak Djokovic's decision of playing at the New York with the given coronavirus situation, or is he just playing it because he wants to break that Federer's record badly in the coming days, and with no top major player, he will in most likelihood will be winning his 18th Grand Slam? Or do you think that it's a decision based on pure knowledge and the conditions around. Do send in your comments and feedback, and I'll be looking forward to the same. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News9 Digital across all social media platforms.